Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at the snap to option. But let's just quickly first have an intro. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now the snap to tool is very handy if you're working on designs with strict design rules and so forth. So if the measurements has to be exact or so forth, that's quite nice. And also to keep a form of consistency between spacing and so forth. So it's a tool with many great ways to use it. But we're gonna in this video just be covering some of the features and what do they do. So not so much how to use them for design as it is more how do they work. So to locate your snapping, or let's first say that currently, as you can see, there is no snapping selected. We can move this wherever we want, and this little block does not snap to nothing. But now to locate it, you want to go to your view on top, and then we navigate to snap to. And from the menu, you can see we have a few options here. We've got grid, guidelines, object bounds, object center or objects, and object sublayers. So first off, let's look at the grid. Now the grid is this lines in the back. So obviously under your documents panel here, you can set the size of it. You're under the show grid, and then we've got the grid lines and subdivisions. We've covered this in another video, just the basic. This is the grid lines, these big ones, and it's subdivided. So it's every 6 inches there's a grid line, and there's 6 subdivisions within it, so 6 inches. And this little red block here is an inch. So now with under view snap to with our grid selected, if we move this little block and it gets in the center of these things, as you can see, it snaps to them. So it's a quick way to align. And if you want to know if it's aligning, I'll show you these blue little lines, and it shows you which corners are snapping. So you can easily just readjust it. Then the next option we've got, I'm just going to disable the grid. We go again to view, snap to, we've got guidelines. Now guidelines are these rulers on the sides. Sorry, rather the left and the top. Now if you left click with your mouse and you pull, you can make a guideline, as you can see here. So you can align it with another object, let's say with this one, and then we can do it from the left one as well. And now when we drag this little box, it will snap to those guides. So you can make sure you've got a nice even flow there. Snap in the corner as well. So let me just disable that one again. So we'll look at the next one. So now the next one is object bounds. So what this will do is once you drag this little block close to any object, you'll see it snaps to its edges. So here we've got 2 where it's snapping to both the top and bottom, which is nice. So you can make sure nothing's overlapping. So a lot of times in design you can get this type of overlap very quickly if you don't have the snapping enabled. Then next up here, let's just go to snap to. We can select center. So objects, center. So now if you get to the center of object, you'll see it snaps it there as well. So that is nice for something like a circle or so forth. You want to make sure, okay, this thing's exactly in the center. You just enable that. Then just disable that one again. Now next up we've got snap to objects sub layers. So what this will mean, let's look on our layers panel here with this box. As we can see, there's 2 shapes grouped into one group. So we've got the little rectangle on top and the back one. Then so now if we had to drag this, then it will snap to the inside one and to the outside one, or the bottom one. And then let me just show you. So if we disable that, Now it will not snap to any inside ones, only to the bottom, or the largest shape. So any shapes inside of it will not snap to it. Otherwise, like I mentioned before, this is a very handy tool when it comes to design, so definitely make sure you try it out. Otherwise, if we head to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just navigate to your downloads page. Then otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, we upload a lot of videos, as you can see, and then also like I mentioned, we've got a lot of software we do cover. You can also isolate your search here and then to find something specific if you're looking for something like, you know, snapping or so forth. But if you still do not find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.